Hi everyone, I am Josmi Joseph. Today we are going to see binary codes in digital electronics and computer organization. Here we are going to see weighted code, non-weighted code, alphanumeric code and XS3 code. Of these, the weighted code, non-weighted code and XS3 code we have already seen. Binary code means it represents numbers, letters or other characters using a binary notation which uses only zeros and ones. There are different types of binary codes. Of those, alphanumeric codes, examples ASCII and EBCDIC, weighted binary codes, example BCD, and non-weighted binary codes, XS3 code and Gray code. So these are the three different types of binary codes which represents the characters or letters or numbers using binary notation. Alphanumeric codes. These are the codes that represent numbers, alphabetic characters, symbols and various instructions necessary for conveying information. Commonly used alphanumeric codes for data representation are ASCII and EBCDIC. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is a 7-bit code commonly used all over the world. The next ASCII alphanumeric code is EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. This is an 8-bit code used in large IBM computers. XS3 code is a non-weighted code to express decimal number. It's a self-complementary BCD code, and self-complementary means one's complement of an XS3 number is XS3 code of the 9th complement of the corresponding decimal number. Now let's see how to find out the XS3 code of a decimal number. First, convert the decimal number to BCD, then add 0011, which is the decimal equivalent of 3, to each 4-bit group. That is, we are given with the decimal number, then first convert this into BCD number, then add 3, decimal 3, which is 0011 in binary, then you will get the XS3 code of the decimal number. So decimal to BCD, then BCD to XS3. Now let's see more examples. Find the XS3 code of 12. Here the first decimal number given is 12. Convert that into BCD. 1 is 0001 and 2 is 0010. Then add 3 to each 4-bit group. For this one we have to add 3, and for this 4-bit group also you need to add 3. So here by adding 3 we will get the result as 1 0 carry 1 1 0. Here 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1, 0 with a carry 1, 1 0. So the XS3 code is 0100 0101. Another example, find the XS3 code of 39. Your number is 39. Find the BCD code, which is 3 is 0011, 9 is 1001. Add 0011 to each 4-bit group. So after adding we will get 1 plus 1 0 with the carry 1. So here 1 plus 1 0 with the carry 1. So here it is 1. Here it is 1. 1 plus 1 0 with the carry 1. So that carry 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 1. So 1 with the carry 1. So here 1 plus 0 plus 0 1. Then here 0. So The XS3 code equivalent of 39 is 0110 and 1100. We have seen weighted code and non-weighted code and different alphanumeric code like ASCII and EBCDIC, and the non-weighted code XS3 and a conversion of decimal to XS3 code. For converting from decimal to XS3 code, just first find out the BCD code of the decimal and then add 3, decimal 3, that is 0011 in binary to each 4-bit group. First question, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Exchange, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, American Standard Code for Informative Interchange, American Standard Commission for Information Interchange. The answer is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next is number of bits in EBCDIC code. 7689. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. So the number of bits are 8. What is the XS3 code for 87? So just convert 87 into BCD, then add 0011 to each 4-bit group. So you will get the result as this one, 1011 1010. Which of the following is a non-weighted code? XS3, ASCII, EBCDIC and BCD. Of these, the non-weighted code is XS3 code. Write the XS3 code for 15. So first write the BCD for 15, then add 3 to each 4-bit group. So you will get 0100 1000. The references for this session are these two. Thank you.